This is day 154, and today we are looking at changing Excel look and feel using the themes. So sometimes you would want to format your Excel, how it looks, how the font looks, how the numbers looks, and the color of the highlighting and so on. But sometimes it is much easier to just change the theme, and it will just set the theme so that you don't have to do a lot of formatting. So where do you find themes? If you go to page layout on your ribbon, then you look for themes here. So the theme that we are using basically is just a default theme. But if you start searching, you can see there are different themes here. Alright, as you select on the theme, you can see the font type changes, the color theme changes, and so on. So you choose whichever you like to use. So if I like, for example, this one, I just select it, and you can see that my font have sort of changed and the color theme have also changed. And you can change it as many times as you want to use whatever theme you want to use. So you don't have to select a particular area you want to change. The moment you change it, it changes on all the worksheets. Also know that the theme that you select for one particular sheet, it will be applied on all worksheets. So if you don't want to change other worksheets, then you shouldn't be using theme. You can use custom formatting. But the moment you use theme, it changes your formatting on all your worksheets. Thank you. Bye bye.